In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use WordReference online dictionary on your computer and also on a mobile device to help you find, in this case, nouns in French. So the first thing that we're going to do on our computer is we're going to open up our web browser, and on our web browser we're going to search for wordreference.com, and then it gives me the option to choose the dictionary I want. Now, because we're doing French, we're going to choose the English-French option because we know the English words at the moment, and we're going to try and find the French words. So I'm going to choose a word, an apt word at the moment, linked to food, featured in one of the dialogues, and that's the word raspberry. And I'm going to try and look up the word raspberry. I'm going to try and search for the noun raspberry. Now we have to remember that when you search, you can only search in the singular, you can't search in the plural, so I'm not going to put, well, I could try putting raspberries in and raspberry, put raspberry in and it finds it. If I put raspberries in, it doesn't find it, so I have to put raspberry in, and I find it, I click on the search, and it takes me to the word raspberry. Now what I can do, I'm on the right page, I can navigate my way down to Principale Traduction, and this is the section where we can start to see all the possible definitions of raspberry. Now we're looking for a noun, and the first word I find here, raspberry, is a noun. I can see that, a noun, a person, place or thing. So I've got the right kind of word, and then if I move just a little bit across, I can see these brackets, and this helps me to find out whether or not I'm barking up the right tree, and it says soft red fruit. So I do think I'm barking up the right tree. If I look at the definition below of raspberry, which is also a noun, it talks about an offensive noise, which I imagine is a kind of version of a raspberry, which is not the kind of raspberry we're after at all. So I think we've got the right kind of raspberry. And what it tells us is that the word for raspberry is framboise, and it is feminine. So that means we can extrapolate, draw out a lot of information from that. So for example, I can say that if I know that the noun for raspberry in French is framboise and it's feminine, I can then say that a raspberry is une framboise, the raspberry is la framboise, the raspberries is les framboises, and some raspberries must be, because you have raspberries in the plural, some raspberries, not some raspberry, so some raspberries would be des framboises. So just from using WordReference to find one word, I've been able to get all of that information out. So I could say, I would like a raspberry. Je voudrais une framboise. I have the raspberry. J'ai la framboise. I love raspberries. J'adore les framboises. I could say, do you have any raspberries? Avez-vous des framboises? So there's all sorts of things that I can do on the basis of having been able to look things up on WordReference.